So welcome back, everybody. I thought I would show the tomatoes here, and it looks like I'm going to have to start probably transplanting pretty soon because it looks like almost everyone started. I got 2 in that one and 2 there, and I've got 3 in this one, 3 in that one, or 2 in this one, 3 in this one. Nothing back there, nothing right there, nothing right there. And then this one is starting to come up too, looking good. So what's that? 3, 4, 5, 6. This one's got 3 in it. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 of these. And these are the big boy yellows. So I want to keep 4 for myself, probably give 2 to my mom and 2 to my mother-in-law, and then I'll sell the rest. And then these are the cherries, and it looks like we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's one starting, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it looks like we got 15 of these. Oh, I was turning them. Yeah, I turned those back. Still nothing of my meds here growing. Nothing of my zucchini, yellow crooked necks, or my cucumbers. Nothing's came up yet. Nothing on my butter squash. And then my watermelon or cantaloupe still hasn't came up. And I just planted these yesterday, my hollyhocks. They're black. Yes, I got a runny nose for my allergies. It's really bugging me. I got me a hot apple cider right here, so I'm going to do that. I've already ate a banana. I went to the dollar store and bought some of these for transplanting. You get 6 for $1.50, so I thought, well, that's pretty nice. So I ended up getting like 8 or 10 of them. I can't remember. And I'm just going to kind of sit back, try to figure out what else I want to try to plant, and go from there and figure out if I want to try to transplant those or just wait till this weekend. We'll see. There's all our babies. We did lose a buff Orrington the day after I brought him home. But everybody seems to be doing good. And the 6 that we got from my friend have got their adult feathers on, mainly. And I got one that looks just like a barred rock, and she did have barred rocks hens anyways, not a rooster, but they're all doing pretty good. Jersey Giants, there's olive egg layers in there, black Australips, buff Orrington 6 mixed breed. We'll see what we end up with the straight runs of the buff Orringtons and the 6 that we ended up having. That one is mean. It picks a lot of them. I don't know if that's a rooster or if that's just an aggressive hen maybe. So I thought that was the rooster. But that one's pretty decent. Time to go milk. You guys need some more grain. Yeah? Be quiet before you fall out. All standing in the sun. That's your mama. That's your daughter. Get off of her. There's your daughter. Willow, there's your daughter right there. You see your daughter? Yep, that one right there. That's Ariel's daughter, Athena. There's Cal's daughter, her mini-me. Cal's son. Cal's daughter. Ariel's daughter. All Lancelot babies but Prince and Prince. We're going to have a mixture of everybody bred this fall. The Lancelot, Prince, Zeus, and Aladdin. He'll be bred too this fall, as long as he's big enough anyways. He's almost finished. I love the fact that I got this new hose and system and got all new parts put on here, and this thing is like draining them like it should be. Way better than it's been. I'm hoping that you guys can see what I'm going to do now is actually I put my little holes into these pots right here. I've been fighting this allergy, head cold, whatever you might want to call it, for this is day 5. Yesterday I actually had the day off and I slept most of the day. Tried to anyways. And every time I got up, I just felt like just the littlest stuff I didn't have no energy left over. Today I feel just a little bit better, but my nose is consistently running now on both sides even. I've been drinking tea like crazy. My immunity tea, I've taken double my immunity gummies. I've taken my husband's antibiotics, that we have an all-natural antibiotic. I started taking those again. I took a sinus cold daytime yesterday, which seemed to help a little bit. I took it again this morning. As you could see, we were just out milking, and I feel pretty drained already, but I want to get these right here, my yellow big boys, and I want to get them transplanted into these bigger cups. So to be able to do this, I'm going to show you. Yeah, I have to like kind of scrunch down for you guys to be able to see me, because I was thinking if I put my phone over there and tried to video, but for some reason it's not. But you have to be, these are pretty dry. I wonder if I should wet them down first. You just kind of want to, yeah. They're not going to come out that easy, so I'm going to wet them down some. I'm going to grab me some water from the sink. And we'll wet them down. Try to loosen this soil up. It's pretty dry. Well, I mean, it's not dry, but it feels, it's not capable enough for me to just pluck them out of there like I was hoping. Because you got to be very careful not to destroy the root system in there. There's 18 of them that sprouted so far, so I'm just going to pull all 18 of them, transplant them, and hopefully all 18 do what they're supposed to. Yeah, I'm not so sure I like that. What I'm trying to do is just fluff up. I'm not so sure that came out like it was supposed to, but we're going to plant it in there. I felt something like break, which is not what I was wanting to feel, I can tell you that. I could just dig in here maybe. There we go. These two look a lot better than that last one I just pulled, so we'll stick them down in here. I'm going to plant them quite deep, because you can do that with tomatoes. So we got them like that. Got the first 3 in there. This is a single, so we'll take this one out. See, that one I'm not so sure it's going to grow. I didn't get any roots actually on it, just a stem. Because I think I ripped them actually. I don't know what I should just kind of go like this and just grab them out. See what we got. Kind of pull them apart. There we go. These two look a lot better. Trying to get them down in there as far as I can. I've got quite a few more I need to do. So I don't know if I'm going to add this to the video that I just did of me milking and everything, or make this a different video. We'll just have to see how long it takes me to get some of these done. That was 6, so this will be an additional 6. So this would be 12. And I think I counted 18 total. Which is great if they all grow. This is just a bag of potting soil that has 6 months of feed in it, which I didn't want to do that, but it was cheap enough where I thought, yeah, might as well, so my husband put it in the cart for me. And this one's got where you can't over water or underwater. It's got just the right amount of stuff in it, so if you were to like put major water in it, it's not going to overwater. But you can't underwater either, which I kind of like that. So I'm going to go ahead and get the next 6 out. It'll just give us 18 that I need. That, and it didn't land in the garbage, it went on the floor, so I gotta pick it back up. Nothing like doing it twice, right? But hey, it's okay. Got laundry to do. Gotta get that done after I do this. I was supposed to have done it yesterday and then I didn't get to it, obviously. I'm gonna have to move my hollyhocks out of this. Put these over here. Got one sprout of my meds that came up. Nothing of nothing else so far. Which is okay, because we still got plenty of time for stuff to sprout and grow. It's not like we've got a short amount of time. April's this weekend, which is great. I don't plan on planting anything in the garden anyways until the end of May. Oops, almost put one in there. It didn't need it, it already had one. This actually filled this whole thing up. It'll be okay because then I can just put the one thing in here and know that this is what all these are. This is what all these are. Okay. So with that being said, I'm going to move this over just a little bit more. Let me see if my tea is good enough where I can drink some of it. Oh, no, that's still hot. A little too hot where I can't drink it. So I'm going to pull this single one out right here. Oh, that ain't single. It's got 2 in there. Okay, we'll just keep going down the line here. I love the sound of our chicks. Makes me sound like I'm outside. And we've got birds everywhere. I told my husband, I said, I keep hearing robins, but I can't see them. I just don't know where they are. He's like, oh, they're everywhere. Because he told me, like, he's been seeing them down on his job site for, like, a few weeks prior to me actually hearing them. And I just heard them, I think, last week. And my husband's like, no, we've had them down at the job site for a couple weeks now. Been seeing them and everything. And I'm like, huh, I haven't seen one. Last year I seen... we had them like in February, but they didn't even get here until just like a week or so ago. That one I might have planted just a little too deep because it's just a newbie. And then we got this one who's got 3 in there. So this one I got to kind of pull apart. Got that one, which we'll try to get it down in there pretty nice and deep. Got a big thing of wood in it. And then go on this one, try to pull these 2 apart. Okay, That worked out nice. I'll put that one there. Put this one right down in there. I didn't actually get as deep as I wanted it to, but that's okay. This one I'll try to get smooshed down in there a little bit. That one's just like tiny. And we'll grab these two. I am gonna do my cherry ones too, my yellow cherries. I'm gonna transplant them too into these bigger cups, just so they're there. And then I can have them ready. Actually, I think I had more than I thought. I got 4 left. And I don't have 4 of these. I got 1 more. How did that work out? I got them in all of them, but I still got 2 left. That's alright, I'll just put them together. Right, it ain't gonna hurt. They'll just grow together and be alright. That one I'm not so sure is gonna even make it. It's just still closed. Alright, we got that done. Yay!